A total of 43 Tipra Motha voters from 16 families joined BJP on Sunday. Tipra Motha party were unfortunate at the Krishnapur Constituent Assembly. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma and MDC Vidyut Debarma has welcomed their new supporters with the party flag. Maximum numbers of people were supporting Tipra Motha presently. However, Tipra Motha were unfortunate at the Krishnapur Constituent Assembly. A total of 43 Tipra Motha voters from 16 families joined BJP on Sunday. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma and MDC Vidyut Debarma has welcomed their new supporters with the party flag. On Sunday, a discussion meeting was held at Twi Thampui Village. Apart from Minister Vikas Debarma and MDC Vidyut Debarma, there were also the Secretary of 29 Krishnapur Mandal, Wakhirai Molsom, Govinda Harijamatia and other BJP executives present at the meeting.
Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Narendra Modi Jindabad! Narendra Modi Jindabad! JP Nadda Jindabad! Amit Shah Jindabad! Dr. Manik Shah Jindabad! Vikas Debarma Jindabad! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Jata media rango dini sini 29 nomor Bidhan Sabha ni bisingo Twi Thampui kamiwa dini 16 family ni 43 voter tini borok sini logi phaisa paika borok sungbai samung tangnai nei jotono Narendra Modi ni je samungno naharoi Dr. Manik Shah ni je samungno naharoi borok sini logi tini sungbai baksa samung tangnai nei tini Tipra Motha yakaroi sini BJP logi phabiga belai hambai.
The MLA of Krishnapur Constituent Assembly or the Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma also states that more Tipra Motha supporters will be soon joining the BJP in coming days. Reported by Biplop from Khorang, Chini Khorang.